For criteria 4.1 and 4.2, we are looking at the legal factors and the copyright factors when using and promoting resources. Throughout your teaching career, you might decide that you would like to create your very own teaching resource. You might publish this, you might put it on the internet for fellow teachers to use within their own teaching practice. But we need to be mindful of the legal ramifications of creating and also sharing resources here. So for this criteria, we would like for you to just explain, do you ever create your own resources within your organisation? Okay, perhaps here mention, do you have any aspirations for creating your own teaching resource? So perhaps you can just introduce just any ideas that you might have about any future teaching resource. We would also like for you to explain the key term intellectual property. Okay, so what does this mean in regards to creating your own resource, okay, as it's your own property? So we'd like for you to explain in your own words what does this key term mean, and do have a look in the textbook at pages 288 to 290 just to explain this key term in your own words. We'd like for you just to go further here and to explain the different legal issues in terms of designing and using resources. Okay, so think about the resources you use. Okay, do you need to be mindful of using that particular resource? Okay, so think about the awareness behind using the resources that you promote within your own teaching. And furthermore, we would like for you, in your own words once again, to explain the Copyright Designs and Patent Act of 1998. Okay, so once again, we would like for you to reflect on that act, and once again to describe whether or not that act is relevant to your own teaching. So for this section, we're just looking at your awareness, okay, in terms of a legal side of creating, producing and using your own resources or using your own organisation's resources. And in terms of word count here, we're looking for a minimum of 500 words.